Hello guys, today we are going to see in Microsoft Word how we can edit. It's a wonderful feature. So if you ever opened a Microsoft Word document and you see a lot of strikeouts over there, then you need to make sure that something is turned on. Something called track changes is turned on in the Word. So how to edit, like you can use different kind of things to edit it and comment on the Microsoft Word. When this kind of options can be used when there is a large group of people working on a Word document, and it can be useful to guide safely using multi-author document to track changes. So should be confident by the time, like we see like how you can do it. So once you open the document, you will be reviewing. So whatever document that you need to review, once you open up the document, so I've just open up a document. So in any document, once you open up the document, so click on the review. So you click here the review. In a review, you have to select track changes. So this is the track changes button. So then you have to click track changes from this list box. So now, as you have turned on the track changes feature, now when all the markup option is selected, the track document will display with all changes by all user. Any user that's going to do the changes, it will be tracked. So over here in the markup, when the all markup option is selected, there is something called all markup, simple markup, no markup, and original. So when the all markup option is selected, the tracked document will display all the changes by all users with each user's edit. So every user, when he edits, it will be shown in a different color. Also you can notice a gray vertical track line in the left margin, which indicates. So to start up with, so I want to just edit, I want to say this comment something on this line. So I just right click here and insert new comment. So you see here immediately a pop-up will come up. So from here, you can type up what is your comment. um, so say that the font, the space, or the space, like, or let me say the font needs to be changed. So the next user, when he works on your comment, he can either reply to your comment directly, or he can reply or resolve accordingly. The change will go. So let's see, go back and see the comment that's done here. So you see here one of the comment is done, that I'm saying the font needs to be changed. So he can, there's an option called reply or resolve. So whoever is going to, the next user who going to work on it, he can say whether he has changed, he can accept it, or he say whether he will accept it and do the change. So all those visible changes can be distracting when you're reading a document. So fortunately the Word offers an additional option called a simple markup. So when you click up the simple markup, see the red line, which are all the different types of lines over here. You have which is now the default choice. So that will automatically, so that the line adjacent to over here will vanish. So as you read through the text, we click the track line to toggle between all the markup and simple markup. So all markup line turns gray and simple markup line turns red. So I'll just show you, like you see all markup, and you see there's a red line there, and now you click on that and give simple markup, and the line turns gray. It's not there, but still you can reply or comment on it. So now you can review with the multicolor edits on or off. So click the track lines to toggle between the simple markup and the markup gray. In fact, like this is the quickest and easiest way to get through the process. You can skim the document, toggling between the simple markup and all markup. When you see a change you don't like, place your cursor anywhere on the marked change, click reject. So this if this is a change over here, if you right click, you can either accept the change, or let's say put all markup. So if you see, you can delete reply to the comment. So if I am going to make a change here, so I'm trying to increase a space. Okay, so if, if you right click, so there is an option. So when you see a change you don't like it, you place your cursor anywhere on the mark change. So you can say that you can either reject or you can accept. That's an option for accept insertion or reject insertion. So I've say if the say is like the space needs to be there between, there should be two space, the space needs to be increased between the words. So that's what is given in that case, like and there is an option of a space over here. So either you can accept, if you accept this insertion, so the space will come. So or you can either reject the insertion. So that there are two ways that you accept or reject. So when clicked, you click accept all changes to globally. Also you can change in the remaining. There's an option over here as well where you accept or reject. So if you click on accept, so this change will move on to the next one. So accept and move to, so there's an options here, see, accept and move to next, accept all changes and stop tracking. Similarly you can click reject and move to next, reject and all changes, reject all changes and stop tracking. These are some options there. If for some reason you don't agree with the most of your the changes, most of your colleagues changes, click accept on the ones you want to keep and choose accept this change from list box. When finished, choose reject for all other changes. So if I'm going to increase a space here, so this double spaces, so you can either say like, if I don't want to accept the change, you can just click reject insertion. So that's a way. So when you're reviewing collaborative documents, comments also be used to issue formatting for this one. So this is a way like you to add comments. So you have to determine how you want them display. The options are show revisions in balloons, which displays comments in a balloon or to the right of the document. Show all revisions inline. So these are the different ways in which it can be shown. Show only comments formatting in balloons, which displays the comment text on the right. Click the preferred option, you can change. So you see here in the show markup itself, there is an option here in the show markup option. You can see if you want to keep show only comments and formatting in balloons, so show revisions in balloons, or show all revisions in inline. Okay, so what happens is like show revisions in balloons will display comments in a balloon to the right of the document. Show all revisions inline will highlight the text inside the paragraph between vertical lines followed by initials of the editor, and shows only the comments and formatting in balloons, which displays the comments text on the right connected by dot lines. Click the preferred option, you can change them at any time and you are ready to add any text. So these are the different type of comments. So next, highlight the text where you want the comment inside, then click the new comment button under the review tab. Word opens a review screen panel on the right. So enter your comments, then press escape key to exit when finished. To edit or reply to another user comment, click the appropriate balloon on the right side of the page adjacent to the highlight text. To edit, just make the changes and click close. To reply, click the page curl icon at the top right, enter your reply and then just click close. So after the comments are reviewed, you can easily delete them with a few clicks. Just right click and delete the comment. Toggle the comment shows under the balloons. Right click the comment balloon you want deleted. When comment box appears, place your cursor anywhere on the commented text. Click the delete from the list box. Okay, so then if you want to wait until you have reviewed all the comments, click the delete button, then select delete all comments in document from list. So they're all removed in one easy step. So here's an option here. So you can delete all comments in documents or just delete one by one. So this is so once you get familiar with the capability of tracking changes, you'll probably develop your own workflow. So once you save this document, any user who's going to open the document, any changes that he makes will be tracked down. So this is a very useful document, a way of like how to track changes. Hope this is useful for you when you do a collaborative work using Microsoft Word. Cheers guys.